Hey guys, Dr. Axe here, Doctor of Natural Medicine and founder of draxe.com. In this video, I'm going to train you on the top uses and benefits of the most powerful essential oil in the world, frankincense essential oil. Frankincense has been used for thousands of years for treating many conditions related to the immune system, inflammation, and even cancer. And I'll talk about where all of those benefits come from in this short training video. So let's start off talking about the amazing history of frankincense oil. First off, again, we know it's been referenced for thousands of years. In fact, it's referenced in the Bible when the three magi, also called the wise men, brought the infant Jesus gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. And frankincense has been referenced to being as valuable as gold throughout history because of its medicinal benefits. Also, when looking at frankincense, there are many different types of frankincense, and its scientific or Latin name is called boswellia. So when you are buying frankincense, you want to look for a brand that is more that follows organic standards in their farming, a brand that's therapeutic grade and specific species of frankincense. My favorite species is called Boswellia farina. It's a type of frankincense that's found out of the Middle East, oftentimes areas like Oman, a very, very powerful type of frankincense, and it's called Boswellia farina. Also, there's Boswellia carteri, which is oftentimes found in Somaliland of Africa, and then also Boswellia sacra or Boswellia serrata. Oftentimes those are often found in India today. And so again, there are many types of frankincense. You want to find a frankincense that's therapeutic grade, certified organic, and sourced indigenously when buying frankincense. Now let's talk about some of the incredible benefits and how to use this super oil on a regular basis. The number one benefit that you're going to find in a lot of studies today is frankincense's ability to fight cancer. Now, frankincense contains a compound called alpha-pinene, and pinene has actually been shown to have antiseptic properties, and in terms of petri dish studies, has been shown to fight cancer. That doesn't mean that frankincense oil is a cure-all. It does mean, though, that along with other therapies, frankincense oil could potentially be a natural cancer agent. Now, there actually was a case study done on frankincense oil, and it's been shown to be effective at actually fighting skin cancer. So if you know somebody with skin cancer, frankincense oil could potentially be, according to research, a treatment, again, not an only cure, but again, a treatment to be used along with other things in fighting skin cancer. So again, the anti-cancer properties of frankincense are powerful due to the sequestrins that are found in there, as well as alpha-pinene and the other beneficial compounds found in frankincense. Now, here is the second big benefit of frankincense, is it is incredible for your skin. If you struggle with acne, if you struggle with especially scars or stretch marks or any type of mark or redness on your skin, frankincense has the ability to even out skin tone. It's great for age spots, sunspots, acne, again, and any type of cellulite, varicose veins, any type of skin issue. Frankincense is probably one of my top 2 essential oils for anti-aging of your skin. Third big benefit of frankincense essential oil is its ability to reduce inflammation. That might be its most powerful benefit. The Boswellia species of frankincense is known for reducing inflammation, especially when it comes to your joints. And so again, if you have joint inflammation, skin inflammation, or any inflammatory skin condition, start using frankincense on a regular basis. Now, the main way I recommend you use frankincense is topically, okay? And so again, if you've got a skin issue developing, hey, about 2 to 4 drops of frankincense on an area, or mixing frankincense oil with a carrier oil or something thick, kind of like a shea butter, okay? Shea butter, jojoba oil, coconut oil, mixing it in that area, rubbing it directly on the skin is so beneficial. Also, therapeutic grade and certified organic frankincense has been shown to be GRSA, so that means it's safe to take internally in proper dosages. So typically you can do 2 drops on your thumb. Rub it on the roof of your mouth is a great way to actually get it into your body internally, or taking it in capsule form to naturally reduce inflammation within your body. So of some more benefits of frankincense and using it on a regular basis, another one of my favorite uses for it is for supporting the immune system. If you want to protect yourself against different types of bacteria or getting a cold and flu. Let's say if you're going to the office or your kids are going to school, taking several drops of frankincense and rubbing it on the lymph nodes of the neck is a great way to naturally support the immune system. Another big way that I love to use frankincense oil is for meditation and prayer and to increase spiritual awareness. In fact, the Eastern Orthodox Church often still uses frankincense. That's where we got the word incense, the smell of frankincense, because of its great smell and its ability to reduce brain inflammation, which in turn allows you to better focus, pray, connect with God, meditate, and have a clear thoughts in thinking. So again, frankincense oil, amazing. I know some yoga instructors who diffuse it during class. I know I myself, oftentimes I wake up in the morning and anoint my head with oil with frankincense and myrrh, and then spend time being grateful, with visualization, with prayer, reading scripture. All of those things are great, and a major benefit of using frankincense oil. And remember this, one of the things that I always say, when in doubt, use frankincense. If you want to know the best essential oil in general for its general health benefits, frankincense oil is one of the best because of how it benefits the immune system. It benefits your cells. It benefits your respiratory system. It benefits your liver. It benefits almost every cell and tissue and organ of your body. So again, frankincense oil, very, very powerful. And if you want to learn more about frankincense oil, you can do a Google search online of Dr. Axe frankincense, and you'll see I've written several in-depth articles on all of the benefits and how to use it to take your health to the next level. So again, if you want to use the king of essential oils, frankincense is your best bet to take your health to the next level. And hey, don't forget, if you want to learn more about the amazing benefits of essential oil, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, this has been me, Dr. Axe, talking about the many benefits and uses of frankincense essential oil.